Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making banana bread. Now this banana bread is my grandmother's recipe and I'm excited to share it with you. You can add in chocolate chips, nuts, anything you really want. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. Now this recipe is going to make 2 loaves, and for that we need 1 3/4 cup of flour, 1 1/2 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 bananas mashed, then we will need 1/2 cup of oil, 1/4 cup and 1 tablespoon of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and your nuts or chocolate chips. To get started, we're gonna preheat the oven at 325, and we're gonna start on our bananas. Just gonna take them out of the skin, throw these in the compost pile, and we're just gonna get these mashed up, then we're gonna mix in the rest of the wet ingredients. Once our bananas are mashed, we're gonna go in with all of our sugar. Get that mixed up slightly. And we're gonna go in with our buttermilk. Get that slightly incorporated. In with our oil, our vanilla, get that mixed up. Then we're gonna work on the dry ingredients and we're gonna combine both of them. Now onto our dry, we're gonna combine our flour, our baking soda, and our salt. I'm gonna whisk that up, just till it's combined. Then we're gonna add the dry into the wet batter. Just add a little bit in at a time. Get it mixed in till it's well combined. Then we're gonna put it in our pans, top it with our chocolate chips, and get it in the oven. And that right there is the consistency we're looking for. We're gonna spray down our pans. We're gonna dump some in. Now it may not look like a lot right now, but it will definitely rise. I like to add in my chocolate right now, because if you add it in too early, it likes to sink to the bottom. Just like that. We're losing some of that goodness. Give it a little shake, get the air bubbles out. I'm gonna work on the next one, and we're gonna go right into the oven. Now we're gonna take our banana bread batter, we're gonna go into the 325-degree oven for about an hour to an hour and a half. We're gonna check on it in an hour, and then I will see you then. And there you have it. That's our banana bread. Now I'm gonna let this cool down for a couple minutes. We're gonna slice into it and give it a taste. And that's the banana bread recipe. Let's get a bite of this. Oh yeah, it's still warm. That's when it's truly the best. This recipe is really good. I really truly love this. It was my grandma's recipe. It's dear to my heart. It's so moist. It's light. Chocolate really shines through. Banana's perfect. And what's better with banana bread than milk? I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you like what we're doing, smash that thumbs up button. If you're new, subscribe. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram at HomeHeadChef. We'll see you next time.